the purification, the purification from japa comes from absorption of the mind. Cheto darpana marjanam. Chit darpan. Chit means man. Chit means atma. Chit means the chitta. This has to be purified, but just tongue, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, tongue, kan and jiva, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, has to go to the man. Lord Chaitanya is saying, Cheto Darpana Marjanam. The chitta, there's indriya, then there's man, then there's buddhi, then there's hankara, then there's chitta. Then chitta, after hankara is chitta. Then after chitta is atma. So this is, all the sanskaras are stored in the chitta. And all the sanskaras, the aparabdha, and the bijam and the kutam, it's all in the chitta. And that influences, from there they get, vasana arises, and vasana comes through, identify with ego, and then it goes to the buddhi, and then there's action. So the chit layer, Cheto Dharma Marsha, must be purified. So you're chanting with your indriya, sparsha indriya, shabda indriya, jiva indriya, but then man. Just sound is not enough. All the acharyas say, meaning, or rup dhyan. Bhav? Forget about bhav. What are you talking about? Anartha nivritti nishta ruchi asakti bhav. There's no bhav. What is it? Bhav? Bhav. Material existence, bhav. There's bhav. Chat with bhav, not bhav. Bhav. Feelings, okay.
Feelings for
sentiments.
Krishna, feelings.
We have none. You're speaking, this is galak. We have feeling for bhog. Ahara nidra maitun bhayam. Strong feelings. This is sanskar. Don't make nonsense talk. Feelings for... We cry. We are just sharanagati. We cry, hey, Kripa Krishna, Krishna.